In this video, I'll guide you through how to make Gmail your default email client on your computer. By the end, whenever you click an email link on a website, it will automatically open in Gmail instead of another mail program. Let's walk through it step by step in a simple, clear way. First, go ahead and open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or another modern browser that supports Gmail as a default handler. For the smoothest experience, I recommend using a recent version of Chrome since that's what Gmail is designed around. Make sure your browser is up to date because older versions might not show the options we need. Once your browser is open, type gmail.com into the address bar and press enter. If you're not already signed in, log into the Google account you use for Gmail. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right inbox, especially if you use multiple Google accounts. You want to set the default for the account you actually use for sending and receiving email. After Gmail loads, look up at the top of the browser window in the address bar where you see the web address. We're looking for a small protocol handler icon. Depending on your browser, this usually looks like two overlapping diamonds or a small double icon. It may appear on the right side of the address bar, just next to the star icon used for bookmarks. If you don't immediately see it, move your mouse slowly along the right side of the address bar and pause for a second. Sometimes the icon is subtle and only becomes obvious when you hover near it. If you still don't see it, try refreshing the page. Gmail often shows this handler icon the first time you visit or right after a refresh, especially if you haven't already made a choice about how to handle email links. When the protocol handler icon appears, click on it. A small pop-up window will open, asking how you'd like to handle email links, often labeled as mail to links. This is what controls whether a click on an email address opens Gmail or some other app on your computer. In this pop-up, look for the option that allows Gmail to open all email links. You'll usually see choices like allow, deny, or sometimes ignore. Select the option labeled allow. This tells your browser that from now on, Gmail should be used as the default email client whenever you click an email address link on a website. Once you choose allow, your setting is saved automatically. You don't need to hit any extra save button. To confirm it's working, you can visit any website that has a clickable email address, click on it, and you should see a new Gmail Compose window open in your browser, ready for you to write your message. That's all there is to it. You've now made Gmail your default email client in your browser, so future email links will open exactly where you want them, directly in Gmail.